Hi friends, welcome back. Let's speed up our computer with few easy and simple steps. Go to Explorer by right-clicking on your computer icon, select the properties. A new window will open up. Select Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click on the Settings button. That will take you to Performance option. Usually all the options are turned on to give you the best appearance, but since we give more importance to performance right now, use the third option, which is Adjust for best performance. Me personally like to see the thumbnail of the image rather than the icon, so I usually select the option Show Thumbnails instead of icon. Now click OK. Now there is one more thing to change in performance option. Use the second tab, which is Advanced, and then click on the button Change. You will see the page file is by default set it on C drive. Since C is the most accessed drive for the system file and other software, C is always busy. So if you can move that to other drive, let's say in my case D drive, data exchange between physical and virtual memory will be faster, which makes system faster. Once done, click OK and OK again. Now next step is to clear all the unwanted file from the temporary folder. Type %temp% on the run. A temporary folder will open up. Press Ctrl A to select all the file and delete it. Now you take the task manager to see the current system utilization. Will be much better. Let's go to next step. Open the run again. Type msconfig. On that new window, choose third tab Services. Tick the checkbox Hide all Microsoft service. By doing this, we are making sure we are not touching any system files. Now click on the Disable button. Accept antivirus. In my case, this is the antivirus. All the other services are disabled. During the startup, usually there will be a lot of unwanted service running on. There are several software we have installed but we never used. With this process, all that unwanted things will be disabled. Click OK to exit. It is better to restart here, but I am choosing exit without restart because I need more settings to do. And now let's remove all the unwanted files from the recycling bin. Just right click on it and empty that. Those files we have deleted ever since, and also the one we have just deleted from the temporary folder, all that moved to recycling bin. It is a good practice to clean that once in a while, so it will reduce the burden of your hard disk. Now the last step, but sometimes it is very crucial for some machines. Like the one people who work with a lots of documents or files and move here and there, Windows always try to index those files. Though it is a good feature to search our file, sometimes it is very annoying while we do some important tasks. We can resume that Windows service when we are not doing any important work. Now type service.msc on the run, enter, select the service Windows search, or you can also do this by searching service.msc on the start menu and open from there. You get the same. Now select the properties by right clicking on the service. From the startup type drop down list, select manual and apply the settings. Since the service is running now, you need to click on the stop button as well. Now take the task manager again and look at your utilization. Wow, it's only 7%. What a difference now. PC will run like a horse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment your doubts and click the bell icon for future interesting video. Thanks again.